Have you ever wondered how doctors figure out your blood group? It's actually a simple, hands-on process that every medical student should know, and today I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Blood typing is crucial before any transfusion, organ transplant, or emergency. But it's not just for hospitals. Knowing your blood type can literally save lives. So, let's dive in. The test works on the principle of agglutination. That's when antibodies in a serum react with antigens on red blood cells, causing visible clumping, or as I call it, the magic moment of blood typing. First things first, let's gather everything you'll need: a sterile lancet or needle, alcohol swab, a clean blood typing slide or card, anti-A, anti-B, and anti-D, that's anti-Rh serums, cotton or gauze, and of course a fresh pair of disposable gloves. Start by washing your hands and putting on your gloves. Now clean the fingertip with an alcohol swab. Use the lancet to prick the finger. Gently please, and wipe away the very first drop of blood. Next, collect the next drops and place them in 3 separate sections of the slide, usually marked A, B, and Rh. Here comes the fun part. Add 1 drop of anti-A serum to the A section, 1 drop of anti-B to the B section, and 1 drop of anti-D to the Rh section. Take separate sticks or toothpicks for each section and gently stir the mixtures. Now wait about 30 to 60 seconds and watch carefully. If you see clumping in the A section only, that's blood type A. If it happens in B, it's blood type B. If both A and B sections show clumping, you've got AB blood. And if there's no clumping in either, that's type O. For the Rh factor, if there's clumping in the Rh section, the person is Rh positive. No clumping means Rh negative. So, for example, clumping in A and Rh but not B, that's a positive. Clumping only in B and not Rh, B negative. The whole test takes less than 5 minutes, and if done right, gives you quick, accurate results. Just remember, keep it clean, dispose of everything properly, and treat every blood sample as potentially infectious. And while this method is great for learning and quick checks, always confirm blood types in a certified lab before any medical procedures. Blood typing isn't just a classroom exercise. It saves lives in emergencies, guides organ donation, and even plays a role in pregnancy care. So, if you didn't already know your blood group, maybe it's time to find out. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe for more tips and insights into medicine and science. Thanks for watching.